All right, welcome back to Big Burt's Adventures. It's going to be a short video. We're just going to be hanging the glass for the car up on the wall temporarily so I don't bust it and break it, and we got to get all this crap off the car so we can get the air in this tire. And yeah, I'll bring you along. These L hooks, I think they're called utility hooks to hang them, so I'll show you how to do that. First, I'm going to drill the holes. I'm going to start drill and then screw them in. That works out better than trying to split the wood. So as you just seen, I took a 2x4, screwed the first hole, took it across, used the level, and that'll give me a straight across tie-in. And I just drill into the wood that way. Clean out as much wood as you can. And then take your hooks. And run them through. Sorry if it's dark. Just want to get something on film. Oh goodness. And see, they just grab and you just twist them in. And I try to just go in as far as I can, especially if these windshields are pretty heavy. I don't think heavier than a bike though. So hopefully you can see that. Just a couple more turns. I like them to be flush against the wall. And then they're pretty tough. I'll just put it in there like that. That's how it is. So, got the first one in. Let's see if we can get that second one conquered. And then I'll feel much better. But we are taking... I kill myself today. Alright. I did get some... I got some L brackets. Got some L brackets right here. Kind of entertainment. If you didn't hear what I said, it's because I got screws in my mouth. But I just take the screw on the top, put it right about here, sink that bracket in, and then I go up with the second screw. And then put it right here. And that holds the windshield firm. You kind of want to do it on both sides. The V pattern. Maybe. Yep. Oh, that's crazy. Oh. All right. Like this. And there you go. And so you have a brace here and a brace here. And it's pretty firm up there. So I like it. And then we take our wood and our level. Throw that up here. Is this important? You bet. Alright. Then just take my screw gun, Try to hit the joint here where the other one was. Take these two down so I don't drop them. Alright. And then I just run them in. And if you over drill the hole, then you have to start over. That's just how it is. But since I drilled the hole, it's grabbed on, and it's really a nice turn. Really working out well. Neat. Oh no, I need that light. Thank you, garage light. Appreciate that. Putting it up. Right there. Slide the other end in. And then take them all the way to the end and do a little testing on them. Looks great. And then I'll grab the ladder and we'll screw those pieces in there. So I can get you set up here. So watch me do that. Wow. It's not meant to do things sometimes. Gotta be patient. Oh, come. There we go. Tighten them down. Okay. Until it pushes down on the window. There we go. Get one started. There we go. Got your $3 hooks from Ace Hardware. And they're holding quite a bit. Then you got your little $4 L brackets. Comes in a 4-pack. That holds that top of that glass pretty well. Let's see if I can get you up there. And yeah, it's a temporary place for the glass. So it's not out here getting piled on. And yeah, we are working on the Cadillac. I'm bringing it around real quick to show you what we're working on. But the glass was sitting right here. It just clutters up everything. I worry the glass is going to get cracked. But there it is, the top of the Cadillac off. I want all the surfaces completely cleaned off. Got to finish bolting. So I got to get this last bolt in here. Get them all torqued down. And then all this stuff is going to go up there. And then we're just going to pretty much just clear off, clean up, get tools organized. It's 30 something degrees, 17 in the morning. So yeah, and then we got, of course I'm working on the door cards. So I got the first one apart and then we're going to be working on the other 3. But anyway, just a quick video on what I did with the glass to keep it safe. Thanks for watching Big Burt's Adventures. If you like this, give it a like, share, and subscribe. We're about 329 subscribers now. and have over 178,000 views. So appreciate you guys watching these videos, and hopefully more to come.